Hi everyone. First of all, thank you very much for enrolling in this course. In this video, I would like to discuss about universal framework that we are going to use to create a final video or the project in this course. So, what is a universal framework? When you create AI videos, it is easy to feel overwhelmed by choices. That's why we use a simple 5 scene arc or a structure that guides you but still leaves room for your own personality. So, when you have a framework or a sequence in place when you create a video, then you can create videos without any problems. So, in this course, we are going to create a personal video. Every person has to create their own video talking about themselves, their achievements, and a call to action in the end. So, to create this video, we need to follow a 5 scene arc. The first one is hook. Grab attention right away. Make viewers curious so they keep watching. Example, ask a bold question or show something surprising. So this is the first phase of 5 scene arc, which is hook. And the second one is who you are. Briefly introduce in a friendly, relatable way. Example, I am Sarah, a teacher who loves exploring AI tools. In this way, you have to introduce yourself using your name. The next one is what you do. Share your skill, passion, or value clearly. Example, I help students learn faster using creative AI videos. So this is just an example that I am giving. Depending upon your achievements or your profession, you have to use your sentence here. The next one is showcase. Back it up with proof. A quick example or results. Example, show a project, portfolio or transformation. And the next one is call to action or CTA. End strong with a clear next step. Example, follow me for more tips or check out my website. So this is going to be the call to action. So, why this works? You always know what comes next. You never start from zero. You can still personalize every detail in 5 scene arc illustration. A story framework works like a skeleton. Everyone has the same structure, but your story adds the life. So, when you use this framework to create a video, then it is going to be in an order and you can create it without any issues. So the project in this particular course is to create a personal video or a professional video according to your requirement by following this 5 scene architecture. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.